there is some organizations to help these people, and I know one of these organizations very good, and I'm going to tell you about this for example what to do with this immigration. Okay, this organization, this is one sign. This is the logo of this, not of this organization, but something connected. This organization is founded by a woman, Ute Bock. She was starting to work in private business, but she realized that it's not good for her, that she wants to work with people and help them. So she gets a nurse to raise up children. And she starts working in Vienna with refugees, youth refugees.